Hello, I am going to explain the difference between ratio and proportion. So, just what is the difference between ratio and proportion? So let's talk about ratio first. If I say there is a ratio 1:2, for every, for example, 1 blue star, I have 2 red stars. So we can also write a ratio as a fraction 1/2. For every 1 blue star, I have 2 red stars. If I have another blue star, I will have 4 red stars. So 1:2, 2:4, etc. Then I can draw this box diagram like if I have one gray box. For every gray box, I have 2 white boxes. What about this ratio 2:5? So now for every 2 gray box, I draw 5 white boxes. And the total number of units is 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, yes, 7 units. So this is the ratio. But what about proportion? Now, if we have a fraction 1/2, 1 out of 2. So 1 out of 2 stars is red, or 50% of it is red. Now let's take another example. 2/5. This is the fraction. 2 out of 5. This is how we normally will read a fraction, 2 out of 5, or 2/5. So there are 5 wholes, 5 parts. If I have 2 gray boxes, the other 3 must be white, because it's 2/5, or 40%. And if you count the number of parts, there are 5 parts. So 5 parts is the whole in the case of proportion. Whereas in the ratio, the total number of units is 2 plus 5 here, it's 7. So ratio is not the same as proportion, and they are read differently. If you speak it out, that is, if you read it in words, 1 is to 2, 2 to 5. That would be the way we read the ratio. But for the proportion, we would say 1 out of 2, 2 out of 5, or 2/5. So the way it's read, it's different, it's clearer. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.